What's up guys, Garrett Harmola here with Aldan American, and today I've got my 94 Chevy OBS pickup truck, C1500 two-wheel drive, and we're down here in San Diego, California. Just drove down from LA this morning for the Hot Rod Power Tour West. So this pickup truck, I got it from a family friend. He bought it, I think, secondhand back in like '96. He had it for many, many years. When I got the truck, it was sitting dormant, got a little bit of moss on it, kind of needed a tune-up, had been forgotten. And again, all original suspension. So it had kind of that factory rake and all that, and really kind of drove like a farm truck. I mean, you're cruising down the highway, you know, major body roll, lean and all that. Suspension-wise, a little scary. So from there, what do? We ended up developing a set of coilovers for the front. We use this truck for a lot of our R&D for the 88 to 98 pickup trucks. And we said, hey, that farm roll, that little scariness, that body roll, that 30-plus-year-old suspension, let's get rid of that and let's go on a set of Aldan American coilovers, adjustable performance shocks for the rear, something bolt-on, something easy to adjust and tune, and something to deliver a better ride quality. So went from a scary farm truck to a modern day cruiser that handles and rides great. I mean, this morning cruised down from LA, 75 miles an hour, and it's looking good, has the stance, and even with our single adjustable shocks, more than capable, night and day from what it used to be. So if you're looking to upgrade your OBS pickup, looking for a better ride, looking to cruise with your family and so forth, check out aldanamerican.com, as we've got a wide range of Chevy pickup truck bolt-on kits to upgrade your suspension and make your truck handle as it should.